Hey there, welcome to the UkeStuff channel and welcome to this tutorial video for the play-along videos of Dominick the Donkey, which was a Christmas novelty song recorded by Lou Monte. And it tells a story about Dominick, the Italian Christmas donkey. Now, what we're going to do in this video is, first of all, we'll look at the chords you need for soprano, concert, and tenor GCEA ukulele, and then we'll look at the chords you need for baritone DGBE ukulele, and then after that, we will talk about strumming. I'm just going to give you one idea for this song. If you like the chords you see here, you can find the chord chart or tabs at my website at UkeStuff.info. Just look under the chord charts or tabs page and look for Dominick the Donkey alphabetically in that list of the songs. If you want to support the work on the channel here, there are three things you can do. You can like the video, you can subscribe to the channel, or you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. Alright, with that all said, let's begin the tutorial for Dominick the Donkey, first with soprano, concert, or tenor GCEA ukulele, and the chords that you need. It's a 3-chord song, so it's very simple. You get your G chord, you get your D7 chord, and you get a C chord. And those are the 3 chords you need to play Dominick the Donkey on soprano, concert, or tenor GCEA ukulele. Now let's talk about baritone ukulele. On baritone ukulele, you need 3 chords as well. It's a 3-chord song, so you'll need the G chord, the D7 chord, and the C chord. And those are the chords you need to play Dominick the Donkey on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming. Now, as it comes to this song, first and foremost, there was no ukulele in the original, so there is not one single right answer. The number one question on the Uke Play-Alongs channel is, what's the strumming pattern? And the answer is, there isn't a specific pattern. The 3 rules of strumming: number 1, play the right chord; number 2, change the chords at the right time, follow the right tempo; and third, make sure that whatever you're strumming matches the style of the song. If you're doing those 3 things, it's right. And don't let anybody else tell you otherwise. Now, if you need an idea, here's a very basic one, but it's going to work great for this song. There's something that's called the swing pattern. So just start off, just play a G chord, and just go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now, if you notice, I'm strumming where the body meets the neck of the ukulele. Yes, you can play further down, you can play further up, but by playing in ultimately the center of between the saddle and the nut, you actually get a better sound, or a fuller sound, than playing, for example, down near the saddle or closer to the chord you're making. Some people will play different places for style, but in general, if you're just strumming, go for right there. That's a sweet spot for most people. It will also keep you from damaging the top of your ukulele here, because your finger won't be hitting there. Now, that is not what you want to do in this song. If you play that, it's going to sound very strange. So what you're going to want to do is this. You're going to do something called a shuffle strum, where instead of going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, you're going to go down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Something like this. That will work really well. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. That's called a shuffle strum. It's also a swung strum, but it will work perfectly for Dominick the Donkey. Alright, thanks so much for joining me for this video. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're having a great Christmas, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.